Hello all, Lagnajita Chatterjee back again with my videos empowering you. Well, today is a different kind of empowerment and today is some lemon empowerment. Yes, Nimbu Ka Josh, we can call it. So just check out what is that. Stay tuned and don't go away. Nimbu. So make the juice. I'm ready with the Nimbu and just take a glass and then pour water and let's see what more ingredients do we need. Come with me. So I'm ready with my ingredients. This is my little sugar, little salt. We'll mix together to make that juice. And for the perfect weather, come on, let's see. We'll cut it into halves. And yes, and here I just squeeze the juice. Squeeze the line. Hey, hey, squeeze the line. The juice is flowing, squeeze the line. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Ding. Yes. Don't forget sugar according to your taste. I'm going to just serve one glass and a pinch of salt. Namak, namak, ha, namak, shamak. Aha. Take a spoon and stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Stir it clockwise. Stir it anti-clockwise. Stir it clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And the seeds of the lemon just have to be discarded. Well, take another glass. Filter it here and here and here. And what to do next? Well, I pour the stringed one. Yes, stringing the seeds here. And once more a try. To give it a sweet side. And I think it's done. Yes, the sugar, the salt has come inside here and mixed up into a beautiful taste for all. Yes, my Orchard lime. Well, a lime juice, I've just given it a name. Oh, and making it a light feather taste. Well, let's see the clear water. Not so clear, but yes, wonderful and tasty it's going to be. I'm sure about it. You can also try. Okay, cheers, Nibu cheers. And lemon empowerment. Ah, tasty. Yes. Bye bye. Do try. That's Chatterjee signing out. Hope you again. Bye bye.